It's a oh.
Stop jumping on my sweater. Oh my god.
Who's that? I love you.
Baby? Baby! Oh my god, you nut!
Oh, cried Amanda.
Oh no! Oh, it's cold.
Okay, you don't strip.
Oh, let's go!
Danny.
Oh no.
Yeet.
She is so angry.
Oh no! Can you move? Stop. Are you fucking kidding me?
Motherfucker, don't ever fucking film me. I'm gonna kick the shit out of you.
Amanda, open the door.
It's your baby.
Oh, that's good.
Overeating, I know that. Look at.
Yes, sir.
Are you stuck?
Oh my god, this is not happening.
All this power that I found.
Buddy? That's not looking too good, bud.
How to get you clean?
Oh my god!
You're adopted.
I wanna drink liquor, I don't like liquor. But the pills at the game. Oh my.
Not pure?
Tony.
Little hiding spot.
No bite.
This is my cat, Mimi. She loves me.
You know what you did, Shane?
Oh!
Matters the most. Not only do you have a good
What are you doing?
You're a fat cat. Can I get a fat cat?
Why do you want to go in the ice cream shop?
Wow. Wow. This is just wow.
You go to the door!
Ta! A lo que yo vine fue a esto.
You stop it. Get down. Get down! Hi?
Dave, I'd love to see you, brother. I know it's been a while.
He's like growling, but
Look at this little kitten. Hey. Oh, did she say hi?
Biscuits, biscuits, it's time to make biscuits.
T'es gonflé, hein.
I got my cat one of these things you can sit in so you can see their feet.
Lay down.
What? Don't tell me he's in it.